Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and if you're a new viewer to this channel, go to the channel, watch all the videos only if you're liking, and if you want to learn, then you can hit the subscribe button to be part of this Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the number, and for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, only for learning, for lifetime learning, not everyday learning, lifetime learning, then you can open your account through us in Zerodha, Upstox, Angel Broking or Alice Blue. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So I've just taken a trade in this particular McDowell. Okay, so I've just taken just now. It is 10:26, and now the time is around 10:27. So I just got up a little bit late today. As soon as I got up late, I had to run up and come here and record the video. I didn't want to miss recording a video today. So anyways, the stock is already in the overbought. Yes, I agree. A lot of things, if you see, yes, it's already in the top, so profit bookings also can happen. It can reverse also, but the stock is looking so good. It is breaking. It is just 2%, not like many other stocks which has moved 4% or something. It's not that PVR can't go, I'm not saying like that, but the percentage wise it has already moved forward. Even Indigo, your top stocks, if you see, they moved 7%. So I don't know when the sellers will come into picture. So till then, McDowell, if McDowell can break like this, it's just 2%. So somewhere 2-3% if the stock moves for the day also, it's a normal order, right? So I've taken a normal order here. So if I'm taking a normal order, I can just wait at least. So I've not set a target still. 0.3% I will set my target. I didn't put a GTT order directly, so I'll come and put an order here, exit position. Okay, looking at the Nifty, see, Nifty has opened gap up, and Nifty, if you see, it is dancing in the same range. I think it is the same, that's what I see. So if I draw a horizontal line like this, okay, so it is still going in the sideways. So there is no much advantage in the buy side, much advantage in the sell side. So the stocks are doing normal breakouts, normal moving. So during this period, I'm not expecting much of a move. Yes, if it can break these levels somewhere, I can wait on some stock. Till then, I have to wait for a normal exit. So 0.3 is how much for this stock? Almost 60 paisa, 1 rupee 80 paisa, somewhere it will come. Here it is 0.22, so somewhere 598 point some number will come. So I'll just calculate and see, that will be better for us. Okay, so I just got up, so my brain is not working much to calculate, so I don't want to do mistakes. 596.45 plus 0.3%. So 598.23. okay, so this should be our target. So if you see, the stock has gone up to 598.45. Yeah, so it just broke its own high again. The resistance point is 600. Okay, so resistance point is around 600, and now it is breaking out. So if you look at the 1 hour range, still it has not yet reached the upper Bollinger Band. So yes, I took a confirmation based on 1 hour. So you want to know how I picked? So I picked based on 1 hour. The stock is spiking up from stochastic below, so you would have seen me applying stochastic for 5 minutes also. I'm applying it on a 1 hour, and I'm just taking an advantage on this particular stock, hoping that the stock will have a movement in 1 hour candles, maybe this candle or maybe next hour candle. Yes, the wait period will be more over here, but at least 0.3% is done, right? You see 0.34 is done already. So that's what I wanted from this particular trade. Our target was 23, so 598.23, so it has gone to 40. Yes, like I told, the resistance is 600, so that's the reason you see it has gone up to 598.95, and it needs a time to break that 600, because 600 is going to be the resistance for this stock. If 600 breaks, the next resistance is around 605 area. So in case the stock breaks 600 and it is trading above 600, it has an opportunity to go up to 605. Yes, I have taken a normal order. I can have so much of patience, but if the day doesn't support, if the market doesn't support, and a lot of buyers don't support, stock may go sideways, and then I have to wait for the whole day. So I don't want to waste my whole day. So that's the reason I'm just looking for an opportunity. Should I book right now? It's a morning first trade, so, or will the stock break out? So that's what I am having a look over here. Let's see. So if you see, it has gone up to 599.30. Okay, so it went up to there. Yes, the resistance point is 600, where there is a lot of resistance, so they will try to dump it from there. If the stock can sustain our breakout first, after breakout it has to sustain, then only it can go further. PVR is breaking out. That's something good in PVR. I know the theaters, everything has been closed, but I don't know why PVR is going up. So we should read the news to get a proper understanding. There is something in the stock. Is it an investing opportunity or what? We need to have a look at it. So this business is, yesterday also it went up. That's the reason I'm saying today also it's going up. Okay, so this one went up and it's coming down. We'll see in 1 minute. If you see, it went up, it broke. Now again it created a red candle. Okay, so yes, there is a resistance like I told you in this area. So if I put any shorter time frame, you see the 600 previously. So that there is a resistance area here which has to break if the stock wants to trade above this number. If not, if the stock doesn't break, then normally it will stay flat or it will reverse from this point. So somewhere around the 600 area, or 599 to 600 area, there is a resistance. Let me zoom in and see. Yeah, somewhere in this area you see it's a rejection, price rejection has happened. So here is a resistance. So if the stock is sustaining about that, then I would say next one is around this area, right? So you see this, and after that this. Simple, very simple. So I'll just remove Bollinger Band for you to see it properly. Okay, so I'll move this also. So look at this. I've taken a previous point where it has been rejected many times, so that is my immediate resistance. And if it is breaking the resistance and going up, next resistance is this point, somewhere around 606 to 607. Okay, in rough this number. Next area of resistance is around 616, or I would say this point. You see the price rejection has been done at, see, this point, and this whatever this point. Okay, the 599 to 600 point. So let's see if this stock can break these levels. I'm not saying it will break all the levels. Obviously stock has moved only 2% as of now, so at least it can sustain breaking 598 and 600 at least. Nothing much good about the market. So if you see, market is going sideways today. Still it is in the sideways. If I put a 30 minutes, you'll get a proper idea. It is proper sideways. You see the candles. So it was a green, it was a red, it was a green. So it's going up and down within a range bound market, sideways market, whatever you call it. So I just went down to get freshen up, and by the time I came up, the stock has gone, I think, to 599.50. Nice opportunity I missed. Okay, anyways, all right, I think it is broken 600.6. okay, not to 600.85. so it has broken the levels what we had drawn. Was it 5 minutes? I guess so. Yeah, somewhere here it has broken these levels, 0.59, 0.6% for 600. It's a 6 rupee stock basically, and the 600 is the resistance. So it has touched the resistance, it's broken the resistance, but it has to sustain above the resistance. See, that is the important thing. If it sustains above the resistance, then your resistance will become your support. So next time it will bounce on the support and go up to the next, towards the next resistance. So here, are they sustaining or are they trying to get it down? All right, see, there is a sudden spike. So finally something is happening above the resistance point. Okay, So next resistance is around 605 to 606, like you saw in that layers. It may take some time. Market is still in the same range what you saw long back. So you see this side, if I hit this button now, market order will take the left side, not this number. Okay, 601.50, the high is 90. Okay, 602 has a resistance point here. Okay, 602, come on, please break. Taking some time. 27,000 quantities are there, 12 orders also. Finally, come on. So many of them are putting orders before that. All are trying to close their positions. No. Okay, finally it just broke 602. I mean, you see 602 has been gone here. Okay, so the quantities have been melted. So hardly one order is pending. So let's see if it can go forward from here. Or should I put a limit order? Okay, it has gone to 602. Done. So I don't want much now. So much is enough. I mean, I'm waiting for a long time here, right? So I think from 10:26 to almost 11:06. So how much is that? 36, 46, 56, close to 40 minutes something I'm waiting, if I'm not wrong, maybe 40 minutes. So 40 minutes I'm waiting for this particular trade, and finally from 596.45 I've booked to 602.23. So 6 rupees movement. So that's basically like 1% movement of on my stock. Like I predicted, it broke the 600 range, right? So it broke the 600 range. So only I waited, or else I would have booked 0.3. I just took a try, and this, like I told you, it went about 600 range. So 600 became the resistance, became my support. You see, it came down and it took a support on this point, resistance, previous resistance, and then it is heading towards the next resistance which I had drawn. So next resistance is around 605 actually, so 605 to 607 area. So from here to here there is a resistance point, so somewhere it can go closer to that area and come down also. But I didn't want to take much of risk. I'm happy with this because more of a scalper. I even in short term or in intraday I scalp a lot. Alright guys, one more trade in this particular one. So let's say I'm going to take a 2 lot Concur. So to Concur around average price of 374.23. So if I calculate from here, 374.23 plus 0.3%, enter, 375.35 is my target. So my exit is around 375.35. I'm not sure, 35, yeah. So 375.35, whenever the stock goes up again, it will trigger. So I'm just putting my sell order. It will be pending over here. Okay, so yes, I've got a big movement of 1% here. So almost 3 trades what I've already got of 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. So I thought I will take few 1 or 2 0.3% trades over here if I get any. So in this case I have got Concur as my stock. Even I have this particular stock which was not actually moving. You see, it was negative and it is going to positive. So that is something, some movement over here. There are a lot of trending stocks also for the day, but they're already in the peak. Most of them were already in the peak. You see, this went up and it came down. So right now I'm not looking into those stocks. So I'm just taking the stocks which have not moved much. So you see 2%, 2.5%, all these type of stocks I'm targeting today. I know the movements will be slow. You see the Nifty, it is in the same number. So Nifty has actually not moved much. It is dancing in the same range of 1 hour, half an hour, 5 minutes, everything it is in the same range. The stocks are not having much of breakout. So maybe during the day, I would say by 12 o'clock, if it is breaking upside, then I will have a great advantage on my stocks which I am holding, if I'm holding. If I finish my trade before that, then there is no much advantage to it. So if you see, it's in a Heikin-Ashi chart over here. So there was a formation of red from green. So Heikin-Ashi 5 minutes. So a lot of green was there. It was going good till 377 and finally it came down a recovery happened. So this stock fell into my eyes, and finally I caught this particular stock from Zerodha streak. So if you have not watched my Zerodha streak, go and watch the videos, because there are a lot of videos which I've already explained in my channel. We have 500 plus videos with a lot of scanners and strategies and ideas and all thinking and point three and many things. So if you're a beginner and you're a new person to this channel, suddenly when you see the videos, you will think, okay, how did you pick, why did you pick, why 0.3, what is 0.3, why you did this, why you did that, all that questions will come. It's a common thing, tendency. So if you just go back and watch most of the videos, you will get a rough idea what exactly I'm doing. So our old subscribers will understand exactly what I'm doing, because in every step, every minute, we cannot keep telling this is a candle, this is the high, this is the low, this is the basics. So that's the reason I say always learn before you earn. So go learn first. If you learn, it will be good for you. So all I'm waiting is for a next green rally. I know the stochastic has not reached to negative 40. It has reached up to 32. So anytime it can reach up to 40 levels also. But all I'm seeing is from here, I've just taken a position, and whenever it turns, when the candle turns to green and it goes up to here, okay. So you see my quantity of 3126 is here, and target of 3745.3542 is over here. So you can adjust here in Zerodha nowadays. Okay. So anyways, you cannot trade from Heiken, you cannot edit. If I want to edit, I have to go to candlestick and then edit all these things. Okay, I can modify whatever I want. If I want to modify the price, then I have to drag this window to set the price. So for the ones who don't know, they can just drag and edit your, see, for example, suddenly it is spiking up. I can push my targets above and above. I'm just trailing my profits. I'm just pushing it front and front like this. You can do same way orders, whatever your orders you want to trail like this, you can hold and trail. So that is one good part. And this also is there. Directly you can buy one or two. Just that you will not know how much quantity or how much money you need to buy. So I will manually go here and check and refresh. Increase like this and refresh and have a check how much money I need to buy. So anyways, this is taking a little bit time. I know it's a bit slow because the trend was down, so obviously it will take some time to create a green trend. So somewhere the green candle has been started now. So if I zoom really well, okay, so green has started. If green can sustain, one green has to sustain, second green has to come as a confirmation normally. So if one more green comes into picture, strong green, then yeah, somewhere I can, by then my target will be done. So that's what I am hoping. Let's see. So if you look, market is going sideways. So I'm just digging in to see what's happening. So you see in the news, we have PM Modi live update. So PM Modi launches transparent taxation platform, tax reforms to be announced shortly. So I think a lot of news is going to be expected or is going on. I'm not sure if it's going live or something. So because of these reasons, the crowd is reacting to it now. Maybe, see, it looks like a good thing for me, right? As a citizen of India, I feel okay, some taxation, some transparent taxation. So this looks something positive for me. So I think I'm expecting something positive from the outcome. So after the news, maybe, I don't know what exact time is the news, and if it is mentioned here. So maybe it's after the market hours or during the market hours. So soon after that, or people will react, or before that, people will have their own perception, like you feel transparent taxation platform will be good. I feel it is good for every citizen. So I feel that it is going to be good to our country. So somewhere I feel the market will go up, okay, or people will keep the market in the same range. You see, morning till now it's the same range. So a breakout, something good happening towards those meeting, a breakout can happen. So our stocks also can go up. So this is how, when during the day, when you not just take a trade, you have to just search certain things like these, identify is there some news which is going to impact the market, because even though the market was red, suddenly market will go to green if there is a good news. If there is a bad news, even though the market is green color now, it can go to red color. And sometimes even though it is a good or bad, it will go vice versa also. It's psychology of human beings. Okay, so don't try to find answer asking why exactly it went against, even though it's a good answer, a good outcome, why it went against us. So never predict. Market is always having risk. So you can see a lot of fluctuations, these type of situations today. So when I don't want to take a risk, so let's see if my stock can go up and touch my level of this number, 75 point, what was the number, 35, right? So once it hits 75.35, I will try to close my trade now in this particular stock. Movements are very slow, what I see. McDowell also came to 599. things are drying up. Maybe after the outcome, maybe you can see a spike. And also I have my classes around 12 o'clock, so time is around 11:27. If you can't see here, then I will just show you here. Time is around 11:27. So you can see here, so it is trading here 11:27. So now 11:28 it is going to. So therefore let's see if once my stock hits, I'll be done with most of it for the day. Pretty happy with what I'm getting here. It will be used for my expenses. Obviously it's a commitment for me. I have an expense for my engagement and marriage which is coming forward, which I'm planning to extract from the market. So that is my goal. Like everybody will have their different goals. So this is one of my wish, that I want to do my marriage and engagement with the money which I make from the market. So let's see if everything goes good. If I'm lucky, things will work out for me. Well, it got sold, so it went up to 375.80, I guess. So it broke our number of 375.35. So I scalped around 0.3% in this particular trade. So 3,500 profit, 17,000 profit overall for the day. So it is pretty much good amount. All right, one more trade just now I just took. This is what Pidilite India, right? So this is the, I think the Fevicol company. I don't know. I'm very bad at reading these names. Whatever comes to my mind, whatever I see here, I will read it out, because at the end of the day I just want money from the stock. So I don't track. I have zero emotions towards the stock. I'm not a fan of a stock. So whatever the name is, I just read out. So even though I tell anything, just take it as a normal casual thing. So Pidilite India. So I just taken this stock. It's a big stock actually. So movement is very fast, very quick. And a breakout is happening right now. You see a breakout was happening. So yes, sudden breakouts are happening here. You see this on a 1 hour chart, the breakouts are happening stronger. So it will take some time. It's not that it is going right now. So you see on a 1 hour time frame, stochastic has just crossed above. Just now it has crossed above. So it needs some time. So if you give some time, it's a 1 hour candle, right? So if you give some time, and if you see RSI is not in overbought, so it's around 52 RSI. So RSI is not in overbought zone still, so I have still time to wait for maybe now or tomorrow or after an hour or 2 hours. So that's the reason I just took this particular trade. And you know, the market will fluctuate because of the ongoing news. If things go right, things can break out here. That's when a lot of stocks will have an advantage. So let's see this reason and that reason. In case I couldn't finish this trade by 12 o'clock, I will continue my personal training class. And then if possible, I will try to record after that to conclude our video, or if I have something else also. So alright guys, so I just finished my class. Now the time is 1 o'clock. So I finished my class, personal training class. After this I have only in the evening. So I thought I'll just record this video and complete. So our target has been hit. It was, which was a trade, the last one, Pidilite, right? Pidilite India, Industry India, whatever, I don't know. So it's Pidilite India. So it has been hit around the target 1390.45, because I had set my target and I left it 0.3%. 4 rupees was the target here. So during my classes, I think at 12:27 it has hit. So good, I set my target. After that, I think it has come down. It has come down. Market has actually come down. If you see, market has come down. Yes. So people are reacting towards the news, and you see it has broken the range what I drew in the morning. So it broke these levels. It is trading in the downside now. Maybe after some time the news goes up and down because of the news things happening. Okay, so this is how the reaction is happening. Good, I try to finish. See, most of the time I try to avoid 12 o'clock and 11:30 deadline is because of all these reasons. News will get impacted later part. But good, my position got hit at the right time. So I will not risk myself. I got a good, very good amount. Normally I don't trade too many trades. I take only 1 trade per day. Because of the commitments of the events and all those, I'm planning to do whatever from the market, from my events, expenses. That's the reason I'm doing over trading, not in my discipline. Okay, but anyways, yeah, you can see my kurta over here. So that is my kurta for my engagement. So I have to try, you can see, right? Yeah. So I have to try this, and I should see whether it's fitting properly, or should I go to the trailer and do some adjustments so that my tummy and all won't be seen in the videos and all those. So yeah, that's the one. And tomorrow I don't have any classes because I'll be going out to get ready and facial and something, all those they will do. So I'm going out for that. So if possible, I'll try to record the video in the morning. If I'm not able to do, I will try to do a learning video in the evening. Okay, so I'm just telling you in advance because I just want to show you guys
how I'm trying to take out my expenses for my engagement. So anyways, thank you so much. 24,000 profit. So in this, let's say 500, 600 overall, 3 trades only, right? So 500, 600 may go as a brokerage. Futures, the brokerage is less. So I may get how much, let's say 23,500 in hand. So that's a great amount. I'm very, very happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning. Okay, so everybody is a learner in the market, so keep learning. We are humans, we tend to make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Don't have that greediness. Don't be too greedy and too afraid like what we learn from people. So trade very carefully. Learn from my videos. There are a lot of strategy videos, so I will try to post a learning video today evening if possible. If I upload this in the afternoon, I will put it in the evening learning videos. If not, this one I will edit for my evening. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe if you want to learn on a positive note. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.